All right, good morning, shadows. We are headed out as usual. You can see I'm wearing my gear. So that means it's moving day. We are heading from Brno to Cesky Krumlov. It's about a 5-hour train ride, and I have to change one time, so that's always fun and a little nerve-wracking. As long as the trains run on time, we'll be good. Yeah, so that's it. Let's get this day started. What do you say? All right. Good morning, shadows. Welcome to the fairy tale city called Cesky Krumlov. We are going to take a look around. I did a free tour yesterday and kind of scouted some stuff. We're gonna go see what I saw so I can show you what you would be expecting if you came here. And by all means, when you're done, I know you will be, because it is astounding. So let's get this day started. is where I'm gonna leave Cesky Krumlov. Amazing, definitely well worth it. The castle was 10 times better than Spielberg in Brno. Stunning views, just absolutely amazing. So if you're in the Czech Republic, highly suggest coming to Cesky Krumlov. You can do it as a day trip. I actually suggest coming and staying, because if you just do a day trip, they don't hardly get any of the commerce. So help support them, help them and everything. Plus it gives you a little more free time to just peruse through the streets. So that's where I'm going to leave it. Make sure you guys check out the description below so you can get links to my blog as well as my social media, so you get the full 360-degree experience of our European adventure. And until next video, guys, safe journeys.